Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Ford F-350. Here's a handsome F-350 that's designed and built to exceed your expectations. From its brawny hauling and towing abilities to its comfortable, well-equipped cabin and advanced safety equipment, this heavy-duty truck takes the tough jobs in stride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, backup camera, heated mirrors, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Make super strong your new normal in this brawny F-350. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.